Hi, this is Deborah Atkinson, founder of The Voice for Fitness and the author of The Dollars and Cents of Selling Exercise, how you can sell and promote personal training with integrity. And that's what we're all about, right? Not being pushy, not being salesy, but actually still getting more clients and selling more personal training. So how are you going to do that? And here's one thing I want to remind you of. People who walk in the door, they didn't wake up in the morning saying, I want to buy personal training. They probably didn't wake up even saying, I want a personal trainer, or I want a gym membership. What they're thinking when they wake up in the morning is, I just feel bloated. I wish I didn't feel this way. They walk into their closet after their shower and they say, I wish more of these clothes fit. I can't stand the way my clothes fit. I can't stand the way I look. Those are the things that they're saying that they want and that they're emotional about. In order to sell personal training to them, you don't even want to use the words personal training. You want to start talking to them about the changes and whether they're ready to make those changes. Seriously, because we know they're ready to see the change. Being ready to make the change, two different things. So first you want to make sure you have a customer who's there, and then you want to start talking to them about lifestyle. And if you're selling a new view on a lifestyle, a different way of thinking, a different way of eating, a different way of managing schedules, a different way of looking at how to be more productive at work and how to have less stress because of the way that you're changing your schedule. Those types of things are much broader and life-changing. They're not an hour on Monday and Wednesday and Friday. And so if you're selling those hours and you're not having any luck, start talking about the big picture, about changing for life, about not being 8 sessions that they're going to do over the course of 8 weeks or maybe 4 weeks, but of actually making a big change, and that this initial program will get them started. Start talking about a program for them as opposed to personal training, and you will close more sales and have more long-time loyal customers who see results. And if that was helpful, I'd love a comment down below and subscribe so you get the new video right in your inbox, just to give you the help that trainers working alone don't always get.